Hello students, welcome to Infotech Pathshala. In this video, you will learn advanced filters in MS Excel. So let's start. First of all, what is advanced filter? Advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields using specified criteria, or to copy the filtered records to a different location, or to find unique records. Means if you want to apply criteria based on more than one field, you have to select advanced filter option. In case of auto filter, we could select only one field at a time for giving criteria. Okay, so one more disadvantage was there with autofilter, that we could see extracted records on the same place. In case of advanced filter, we can copy the filtered records or the extracted records different location or on different place, so that we can compare the original values with the filtered values. How to apply advanced filters? So we are using Office 2019. So in older version of Office, you need to select the database, but in this version of Office, you just need to place the cursor anywhere in the database. The entire list will be selected. Okay, so to apply advanced filter, you just need to click on data tab. After selecting the data tab, you just need to look sort and filter group, and on this group you will find advanced filter option. So just click on this advanced filter option. Okay, advanced filter dialog box will be appeared on your screen. So here you are getting two options. First is filter in the same place. Means if you want to extract records on the same place, you need to select this first option, and second option is used to copy the filtered records on different location or on different place. Okay, so first option is list range. This range means the database range, and it is automatically getting selected. Now criteria range is what? First I'll write criteria based on the department. I want to extract records where department is sale. Okay, so just need to click on this arrow and just uh, browse the cell addresses. Okay, now over here criteria is being given. One more thing you have to take care, the field heading, means on the basis of which you want to apply criteria, that field heading should be same with the database heading. See, department is department, case as well as the spelling should be matched exactly, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so now the second, come to the second option, copy to another location. So as soon as you select this option will get enabled. Earlier it was disabled. Okay, so copy to means on which location you want to view the extracted records. So just specify the cell address. Okay, I want to display records over here. Okay, you just need to select any cell. Just click on OK. Click on this arrow, and over here one more box option is given, unique records. Means if the extracted records are having duplicate entries, so duplicate values are there in the extracted records, so when you will check this option, you will get unique records only. But right now I don't want to get unique records. I want to display all the records that are based on this criteria. That means where the department is equal to sale. Okay, just click on OK. So as you can see, I'm getting three records where department is equal to sale. So one more thing, the criteria value means sale. It should also be exactly matched with the values given in the database. If you will write SALES in the criteria, it won't work because SALES is not there in the department column. Okay, now come to salary field. I want to extract all those records where salary is equal to 12,000. Okay, so just place the cursor in the database and click on advanced filter option, and just list range will remain same, and now criteria range you need to specify. And over here salary, on the basis of salary I want to extract records. Now copy to location you need to select, and just click on this arrow and just select the cell address where you want to display the filtered records. Just click on OK. So as you can see, I'm getting two records where salary is equal to 12,000. Come to salary is greater than, that means you can apply greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to symbol also in the criteria. Okay, so just place the cursor over here and click on advanced filter option. List range will remain same, and just select the criteria range over here, greater than 10,000. Copy to another location and just specify the cell address where you want to display filtered records. Click on OK. So as you can see, I'm getting all those records where salary is greater than 10,000. So in this way, we can apply advanced filter based on one field. Now come to the advanced filter where we will give criteria based on more than one field. So database, as you can see, is getting displayed on the screen where employee ID, name, department, designation, salary fields are there. Okay, so just place the cursor anywhere in the database. This is my criteria range. Salary and designation means I want to display all those records where salary is greater than 12,000 and designation is executive. And in the second criteria where salary is greater than salary is equal to 8,000 and department is equals to store. As you can see, store I have written on the next line. So whenever you will write criteria on the next line, it will be treated as or condition. And the when two fields are there and both the criterias are given on the same line, it will be treated as and condition. In case of and conditions, both the conditions should be true, then only it will work. And in case of or either one of is true, you will get the records. So here just place the cursor in the database and just click on advanced filter option. Okay, so select copy to another location. So list range is what is the database range, and criteria range is what? Criteria range is salary and designation. As I've already explained, you should take care of the field name properly, spelling as well as the case. Formatting is not required, you can take any formatting, but spelling and case should be exactly matched. Okay, now come to copy to option. Copy to, where you want to copy? I want to display records over here. Just click on the one cell, click on the cell. Okay, just click on OK. So here I'm getting all those employees record where designation is equals to executive and salary is greater than 12,000. So as you can see, executive, those are who are having salary greater than 12,000. Okay, one more employee is there whose salary is greater than 12,000. That is Priya, which who is in prediction department, but designation is not executive. So both the conditions should be true. In case of and condition means the criteria, when you will give criteria on the same line, it will be treated as and. Salary should be greater than 12,000 and designation should be executive, then only you will get the answer. Okay, now come to the next criteria. So just place the cursor anywhere in the database, click on advanced filter option and just select copy to another location. Okay, just list range will remain same, and criteria range is what? Salary and department. So over here you need to select the entire criteria, click on OK, and then copy to, I want to display records over here, so just click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, I'm getting all those records where department is equal to store and salary is equal to 8,000. Here in this first record, salary is equal to 5,000, but still I'm getting this record. Why? Because I have given criteria on the next line, so it will be treated as or condition. So means either department equals to store or salary equals to 8,000. So both the conditions are true, so you will get the result based on these two criteria. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. Thank you.